widely used, especially in developed countries such as USA. We find many hospitals using this technology. This technology can be used to develop many applications and programs and also software which are capable of storing all the details and information about patients. Not only about their illnesses and treatments, but also their account numbers, about the payments done to the hospital, and their money transactions, credit card numbers, such that also. And also about the information of the doctors. Now, if you use XML in a system, this provides many advantages. Some are listed here, very few. Flexible and powerful means to represent data. Integrated systems, applications and processes are provided by XML. Tight coupling and integration. This is a very important key factor when we talk about the advantages provided by XML technology. Integrated message passing is also very important when it comes to communication through the web. Information engineering is also a key factor. XML-enabled systems have the following facilities: media independent publishing, post-processing, website and component, and also media management, inter-application communication, data integration, electronic commerce, search and retrieval of precise data using element names and metadata, error handling. Now here the metadata means actually structured data which actually describes the characteristics of the resource. That is metadata. And electronic commerce is becoming very popular nowadays with all the emerging modern technologies. So XML contributes towards that field also. Data integration and message passing over the web is done actually almost everywhere, all around the world. Error handling is also a very important factor. It may be a large program or medium-sized program or a very small program, but anyway, error handling should be there in every single program to detect errors and to take necessary precautions, and also to overcome all the drawbacks caused by those errors. XML development tips, very easy, especially for the people who are related with the software industry, because object-oriented approach is used. Just like software engineering, XML documents can be modeled after business objects similar to software classes. Therefore, we can map XML documents and the software classes to implement the business logic. This can be done according to given problems where we must find a solution. For the business world, XML provides entire applications, BPMS, known as Business Process Management Systems, and B2B models, business-to-business models. Entire application. This is a special format of client-server application, widely used around the world, and this has a very large range. It can be very small or medium size or of large scale. It all depends on the necessity. Distributed applications linked over a LAN or the internet. LAN is actually a local area network connecting computers and their other peripherals virtually, forming a network. So entire applications are actually distributed over a LAN. A fine example for this entire application are e-commerce applications. Now we'll just take a look at client-server application. This is a version of entire application. This is actually the most simple version of entire application. Client-server application. Examples for this: web, internet mail, novel print and file servers, Power Builder, and also the other 4G applications. 4G actually is fourth generation application. This is a brief sketch of a client-server application. The browser is there, the web server is there, and the browser or the web client sends a request to the web server, and the web server in turn replies to the browser. Three-tier applications. These include browsers, web server and mail clients, and also email servers. Requests are sent as the arrows indicate, and also the replies are sent according to the request. N-tier applications, these are more complex comparing with the client-to-server applications. The same methodology is used, same theories are followed. The browser is there, web server and mail client is there, email server is there, and database server is also there, in addition to the previous sections. Requests are sent and replies also sent as the arrows indicate. Now, XCommerce application. This is actually a representative of a real web model. It briefly can be described as a web model. Features of this: minimal presentation, more graphics, small database, simple security, but encryption technologies are used. Can add encryption to the data to ensure the security. All these features are related to XML in any way. So therefore we can say indirectly that XML technology is a must if you are working with all these stated applications. XCommerce application. This is a diagram which depicts a structure of an XCommerce application. The browser is there, XML editor and viewer is also there, mail service is there, XML data server is there, and database server is also there. And all these items, the peripherals, are interconnected with the protocols, and they can communicate with each other, sending requests and replies in return. Now, XML provides scalability and extensibility specifically for entire application. Extensible style sheet language processors are used to reduce cost of development. These languages are briefly called XSL. Document Object Model (DOM) encapsulates all the XML tools. Server-side programming languages for internet. Server-side programming languages. Actually, XML alone won't be enough. XML should be there. Perl, JavaScript, Java, Omnimark, and Python should also be there, supporting the XML from the server side. BPMS is the next key factor: Business Process Management System. Three main functions are there: definition, execution, monitoring of business processes. Business process modeling is done with a graphical user interface, or GUI. XML produces non-exhaustive, commercial and open source business process management systems. Now this diagram shows how the main and the major systems connect to the BPMS. Inputs are sent to the system, and the system generates the output, and the BPMS system is indicated in this circle at the center, and the subsystems which is connected to the BPMS is they are all represented in the rectangles around the BPMS. Latest technologies supporting BPMS are Oracle BPEL Process Manager, DEA WebLogic, IBM WebSphere, Project Aglia,